Alright guys, I got another video for you guys. This one is a little bit of a DIY, something I've never done before, but it might be helpful to some of you guys. Let's go ahead and take this out. Alright, so what we have here is an Alcantara steering wheel cover. So this is literally going to go over my OEM steering wheel, and I'm going to be sewing it on the back side. So these will join up here like this, and I'll be sewing it together. This is from a company, this is the name right here, Mewant, not sure how you pronounce that, but they send you the cover specifically made for your car. They have different ones, you can get custom designs, whatever you want. I just wanted all Alcantara one. And then with that they send you a little sewing kit, the thread you need, some double-sided tape, this little tucking tool, and then with it you also get these instructions here, the step-by-step instructions. So I don't know how hard it's gonna be, but we'll find out. I think I'll be able to do it pretty good. I really wanted to try this out. It's $50 on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. All right guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started on this. I don't know how it's gonna go. I'm a little nervous, but if I can do it, then that means you guys will be able to do it too. So let's go ahead and test this out and see how it comes out. Get the M3 right here. I'll show you guys what the steering wheel looks like right now. So it's just this leather, nothing fancy. It is a decent thickness as it is, but with this cover it's gonna make it a little bit thicker, which is gonna be really nice. I personally do not like leather steering wheels, honestly. I really love Alcantara steering wheels. Plus I got this little Alcantara right here, and then I eventually want to get the Alcantara e-brake along with the, I don't know about the armrest. I'm not sure if I want to do that, but it'll look good with the Alcantara here, and then the carbon fiber paddles. And then I also have a blue M1 M2 button along with a blue start button that I might be installing while I do this. All right, so I know the red stitching goes to the rear and then the blue goes to the front, and you just gotta kind of set it in place. These sewing lines are gonna match up with the factory ones on the car, so that helps us out right there. Tight. So I've never sewed anything before, so I'm a little nervous of how this is gonna go. Hopefully it looks good. Cool, I think that's pretty good right there. So take out the instructions here. Take out these tools. We don't need this right now. This is what we need right now. So it came with double-sided tape that you're supposed to put on the inside to kind of hold it in place. It's really thin. You kind of put it on the inside, and then when you press it down, it'll hold it in place. You don't have to use it. I really don't know if I want to use it or not, to be honest. I think I'm gonna start with this side right here, this smaller section first. Let's see how that goes. I'm gonna start from the top and work my way down. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the tape right here. I'm gonna get something to cut it with, and then we'll be right back. All right guys, so update for you guys. So far it's going pretty good. I'm just trying to make sure that when I go to pull on this to make it tight, that it's centered on the threads under, that you can see down here, just so that I know it's like evenly centered when I go all the way around, so it's not like kind of lopsided. But so far it's going good. It's not too bad. It's only been a few minutes, so we'll see though. What I'm nervous about is like these areas when you go to tuck in, like right here too. Hopefully it tucks in smoothly and it's not all wrinkled. This is how it's looking so far. So I finished from here to here. Everything is really smooth. It's really tight. It looks really good. For now, I'm gonna go ahead and sew this side now, do this side. But so far, so good. It took me about 40 minutes to do this side. I mean, it's the first time I did it, so this side should be faster, to be honest. All right, guys, here is the other side. Came out really good as well. We're like halfway there, but it's going good so far. It's a lot easier than I thought, to be honest. Can't wait for it to be done. Oh, yup. You'll check this out. Check out how clean this came out. No wrinkles anywhere. This is my first time sewing anything ever. 50 bucks. All right, guys, here's a look at it. In the day, the finished product came out really good. It feels really good. It's a really good thickness. I think the stitching looks really nice. And best of all, the heated steering still works. Obviously, it's not as hot as it would get before, just because there's another layer, but you can still feel it. It's definitely there, noticeable. Overall, I'm really happy with it. Yeah, guys, thanks for checking out this video. Thought maybe someone else out there would want to do it also, so give you guys an idea of how hard it is and how it looks. Overall, it took me 2 hours. Wasn't bad at all. Just take your time. In areas where it gets kind of wrinkled up, just go single stitch every one instead of every other, and you'll be all right. It'll help from keeping the fabric or the material from bunching up. All right, guys, thank you for checking it out.